right, good morning. What do we got going on here today? Jumping out of airplanes. That explains those super fancy suits you guys are wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Nope, my first time.
Sunday fun day, right?
Sunday fun
What a way to celebrate Sundays. Well, you guys look absolutely amazing. I know I look amazing. You ready to rock and roll, have some fun?
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. High fives? High fives? Let's go get it. Woo! Woo! Here we go. You guys ready?
Hell yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Well, crazy. Let's get in. Let's get up. Let's get out of the bird. Go have some fun.
Hell yeah.
High five. High five. High five. Here we go. Woo! If we want to go left, put the left side down. There you go. Same thing for the right. And then if you want to slow it down, you're going to pull it. Hold. See how slow down? There you go. All right, you got a really good grip, right? You're fine. Give us a left-hand turn. Left-hand turn. Pull. Yeah. Woo! And a little bit on the right. On the right. All right, you just went skydiving. Tell me how you feeling.
It was good. It was awesome.
Yeah, was it something you do again?
Hell yeah.
Absolutely.
That's what we want to hear. What was your favorite part?
The whole thing.
The
But I just
whole
wish
thing.
it was longer. I was like, no, it's over too soon.
We all want that, and that's why we keep doing it.
Yeah.
You did absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for jumping with me and jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Woo!